Do you know what's the favorite dish of Doraemon? Oh yeah, it's obligatory, it's Dora Cake. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel at Food Lovers, and I'm your friend at Yashik Jain. So in this video, I'll show you how to make yummy Dora cakes at home in very easy and simple steps. So guys, watch this video completely so that you don't miss out any of the steps. But before, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes. So first, the ingredients which are required for making a yummy Dora cakes are: we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, half teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of milk. We need a chocolate spread, or we can use Nutella, or also we can use chocolate jam. And at last we need 2-3 tablespoons of condensed milk. For the recipe of homemade condensed milk, press the I above. So guys, let's start making a yummy and delicious Dora cake. So first of all guys, you need to take all the dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda and all, in a bowl. Now add condensed milk, vanilla essence and honey to the dry ingredients. Now mix everything well and make a thick batter of it. Now take a pan and apply oils on the side of the pan and heat it. When the pan gets heated, pour little amount of batter on the pan. Note that you should just pour the batter on the pan. You should not spread the batter. Bake it for approx 1 minute till you see bubbles on the top of the cake piece. Then flip the piece so that the other side of the cake also gets baked. Bake it just for approximately 1 minute, and after 1 minute remove the piece of the cake from the pan. So you can prepare as many pieces as you need, but for making one Dora cake you need minimum 2 pieces of pancake. Now apply a thick layer of chocolate spread on one side of a cake and place one more piece of the cake on the top. So guys, your yummy Dora cakes are ready and this tastes very yummy. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like my video, just subscribe my channel for more videos.